Today, I'll show you how to extend the Google Meet time limit so your calls don't suddenly end after an hour. If you've ever been in the middle of an important meeting, class, or client call, and the timer starts counting down, this walkthrough is for you. We'll go through what the limit is, how to remove that restriction by upgrading, and how to actually start a longer meeting once your account is set up. First, let's quickly talk about why there's a time limit in the first place. On a standard free Google account, Google Meet calls with 3 or more participants are usually limited to about an hour. After that, the call can end or prompt you to wrap up. That's fine for quick check-ins, but it's not ideal for longer sessions like workshops, training, or team meetings where you need more flexibility. To extend that limit, you'll need to upgrade your Google account to use a Google Workspace plan. Google Workspace is Google's paid suite of productivity tools for individuals, businesses, and organizations. It includes things like professional email, more storage, and, most importantly here, extended Google Meet features, including longer meeting durations. Start by opening your browser and signing in to the Google account you use for Meet. Make sure it's the same account you usually start your meetings with. Then go to the main Google page or your account settings and look for an option related to Google Workspace or upgrading your account. This might appear as a prompt if you've recently hit the meeting limit, or you can search for Google Workspace in your browser and follow the official link from Google. Once you're on the Google Workspace page, you'll see different plans, each with its own features and prices. The key thing you're looking for is extended Google Meet duration. Plans may offer different maximum meeting lengths, so take a moment to compare them. If you're unsure which one to choose, think about how often you have long meetings and how many people usually join. That can help you decide whether a basic plan is enough or if you need a more advanced one. After you've chosen a plan, follow the prompts to upgrade. You'll typically be asked for some basic information and payment details. Go through these steps carefully and confirm the upgrade when you're done. It may take a short time for all the workspace features, including the extended Meet duration, to fully apply to your account. Once your account is upgraded, you're ready to start using the extended time in Google Meet. Open Google Meet the way you normally do, either from the website, from your Google Calendar, or from within another Google service. Start a new meeting using your upgraded account. From here, you can invite participants just like before, share the link, or schedule a session in your calendar. With the upgrade in place, your new meeting will now support a longer duration according to the plan you selected. You won't see a separate extend time button. The extended limit is automatically applied based on your Workspace subscription. Just run your meeting as usual, knowing you have more time before any automatic cutoffs. And that's it. By upgrading to a Google Workspace plan and then starting a new meeting with your upgraded account, you've effectively extended the Google Meet time limit and made your calls much more flexible.